Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the microwave has power and the display is active so changes save correctly. Once ready, press the clock or clock/set button. This tells the control board you want to edit time. You then enter the hour and minutes using the numeric keypad. This direct input is faster and avoids scrolling. Make sure to use the correct 12-hour or 24-hour convention if your model supports it, because the control expects the chosen format when you save the setting. Once you've entered initial digits, you may need to set AM or PM. Press the AM/PM toggle or switch to 24-hour mode in options because the microwave stores time with that flag. If your keypad lacks minute precision, use the plus or buttons to step minutes up or down until correct. After adjustments, press clock or start to confirm. This writes the new time to memory. Doing it this way ensures the oven clock stays synchronized after power cycles. To finish, press clock, start, or close as your model requires. This finalizes and displays the new time immediately. Make sure the display shows the correct AM/PM or 24-hour reading. If it flips back or won't save, that indicates a power interruption or internal fault. If time constantly resets, check household power, unplug for 30 seconds then retry. And if the problem persists, consider a blown fuse or consult the manual, because persistent resets often mean a hardware or firmware issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.